In this video, we will see about roles. Role is a set of privileges that can be granted to users. Role is a set of privileges that can be granted to users. We have SYS User. Under the SYS User, we have two tables. One is T1, another table name is T2. Now I will create one role. Role name is role1. I will give this T1 table grant permission to this role1. Grant T1 table grant permission to role1. Now this role1 can access this table, sys user table. Same way, I am giving this T2 table grant permission to this role1. Grant T2 table permission to role1. So now this role1 can access this T2 table also. Sys user T2 table also can access now this role1. Okay. Then I will create one new user. Username is user1. Here I will give grant permission, grant role1 to user1. If you, that means whatever access this role1, everything will copy to user1 also. So now user1 can access this sys user T1 table, and this sys user T2 table also can access from user1 if you give grant role to user1. Okay, now we will see some examples. I will connect command prompt. I will connect database SQL plus /as sysdba. Okay, database connected. I will clear the screen. If you check my previous video, I have created usernames she as Pavnu1. To avoid she as, I will use this alter statement. Alter session set container equal to free pdb1. Now I moved to local pluggable database. Now I am checking T1 table. Select star from T1 table. Okay, we have T1 table. The value is 10. I am checking T2 table. Okay, we have T2 table also. The value is 100. I am checking which user this table is available. It is available under sys user. Now I will create one role. The role name is role1. Create role role1. Okay, role created. Now I will create user. User name is user1. Create user user1 identified by password. Password is 123. Okay, I have created one user. Now I will connect one more command prompt. To differentiate, I will change this tab red. I am connecting database SQL plus. Username is user1 / password is 123. At we should give database name. I will open this SQL developer tool. Right click on this icon, then properties. The host name is localhost. We should paste here colon. The port number is 1521 slash. Then we should give local pluggable database name. The local pluggable database name is free pdb1. Free pdb1. Okay, now I am getting error because this user one does not have session privileges. So we should give grant create session to user one. Okay, grant succeeded. Now I will try to connect. Okay, now I have connected by using SQL plus command. I will clear the screen. Now I am checking under which user we have connected. Show user, it will display currently we have user 1. If you check in the first screen we have sys user. Okay, here I have told we should give grant permission to these roles like T1 table, T2 table, grant permission privileges to this role 1. Grant select on table name to role 1. Same way I am giving T2 table grant permission to role 1. Okay, I provided. Okay, first we will try to access the T1 table from user 1. Select star from sys user T1 table. We don't have access. Currently user 1 does not have access, so unable to get the data. Select star from sys user T2 table. Currently user 1 does not have access, so T2 table also unable to access. Now I will give grant permission. Grant role 1 to user 1. Okay, grant succeeded. We have, that means whatever access this role 1, everything will copy to, all privileges will copy to user 1 also. Grant succeeded. Now we will try one time. Still we are getting some error. First disconnect the DB and reconnect one time. Exit. Now I will connect one more time by using SQL plus command. User 1 is the username slash password is 123 at localhost colon 1521 slash free pdb1 is the local pluggable database name. Okay, again I connected. Clear the screen. Show user, it is under user 1. Now I am trying to access T1 table. Select star from sys user T1 table. Okay, now I am getting data. Same way, select star from sys user T2 table. Here also I am getting data. So we got access. This role means we can give multiple table access at the same time. Then I will use revoke statement. Revoke revoke T1 table access from role 1. That means if I remove T1 table access from role 1, now role 1 does not have access to access the does not have access for sys user T1 table because we removed access. Revoke means remove the privileges. Same way I am removing T2 table privileges also by using revoke command. Now role 1 cannot access this T2 table also. Now we will see. If we removed here, this role only provided all privileges to user 1. So now user 1 also cannot access this T1 and T2 tables. We'll see. I will revoke permission. Revoke means remove the permission. Revoke select on table name from role 1. Revoke select on table 2 from role 1. Okay, we have removed access. Now I will try to access from user 1. Select star from T1. Currently user 1 does not have access, so getting error. Select star from sys user T2 table, also getting error because user 1 does not have access. Okay, the main purpose of the role, we can give set of privileges to other user and we can revoke set of privileges from other user. This is the main purpose. Thanks watching for this video.